Worth it pa rin ba ang breakfast buffet sa Balay Dako? Hey Jorelskis! Namiss ko yung breakfast buffet sa Balay Dako sa Tagaytay. So pagpasok mo, bibigyan ka nitong queuing number, scan the QR code and register. Wait for your number to be called and they will assist you to be seated. Once you enter on your left, most of the mains are served here. Usual buffet, kuha ka lang whatever you like. Then they also have a bread station. Most of the Balay Dako favorite breads are here. Then meron ding make your own omelette and fried rice station. Fresh juices and drinks. Fruits and Filipino desserts kasama na rin. Most of our usual Filipino breakfast favorites ay nandito na. Ito yung mga naging favorites ko. Kakaiba yung corned beef nila, is like a beef slab with special sauce. Goods din na may sabaw na malinamnam na kansi. Solid yung crispy bacon nila. Malalaki at manipis yung cuts to make it crispy. Usual naman sa mga bacon na oily talaga siya. Yung tapa, tamang blend ng sweet and salty. Longganisa, tamang tamis at malinamnam. Then yung daing, crispy at hindi masyadong maalat. I love na meron silang make your own omelette station. Get the ingredients that you like, they will cook it for you. Pati yung make your own fried rice, same din, they will cook from the ingredients that you get. From the breads and the Pinoy desserts naman, legit na masarap naman talaga yung ensimada at saka cheese roll ng Balay Dako. Lalo na when you pair it with their hot chocolate. Lahat na kinuha ko na kutsinta, palitaw, sapin-sapin at bibingka. Lahat ng mga ito nagustuhan ko, including yung puto bumbong na freshly made, plus yung taho to cap everything off. 1,200 per person yung buffet breakfast ng Balay Dako. They start at 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. Dumating kami 6:45, mahaba na kagad yung pila. Para sa akin, worth it gumising ng maaga at maghintay at pumila. Quality ng food, choices, service, worth it na worth it sa binayad mo. Yun lang, cheers!